auditions gave our students even more insight and knowledge about makeup, further enhancing their skills. July was all about graduation and preparing our students for the future. We proudly graduated several students. Now our achievements, students' outstanding work and dedication have led to the expansion of UK International London Beauty School into another state. Hello Haryana, embracing our core value of teamwork. Continuous calls from Haryana students and parents. We delighted to welcome our new branch in Sector 16, Huda Market, Faridabad. Happy to help you, and from here we started Faridabad. August, as we celebrated our Independence Day, Krishna Janmashtami and the special bond of Raksha Bandhan. Our UK International London Beauty School family created unforgettable memories. Little did we know, this month had another surprise in store for us. We received a call and the voice on the other end said, "Welcome to Kolkata." हमारे बंगाली स्टूडेंट्स का प्यार हमें कोलकाता लेकर ही आ गया और उनके लिए हमने एल्गिन रोड कोलकाता में न्यू ब्रांच ओपन की. We are thrilled to announce our expansion into Kolkata, marking another milestone in our franchisee segment. As I already said, another milestone with the sweetness of Rasgulla. Now September opened his arms for UK International London Beauty School in capital of Uttarakhand. जी हाँ, Dehradun. We are here and we are enjoying our presence in Nehru Colony, Dharampur. With this Pahadi feather, we were continuously working on our commitments. We will keep providing unlimited internship platform to our students. We have been approached by many big and renowned internship program till half year. So how September can be left behind? Oh yes, सही समझे हैं आप. Again, we have been provided an internship platform to our students. Maven Miss Plus Size India International Beauty Pageant was held in September 25 to 28 in Jaipur, India. Internship is all about hard work, sleepless night, but UKIBS की internship का मतलब थोड़ा सा fun भी होता है. We took our students to Amer Fort after the internship. Jaipur internship has always been the memorable and fun intern for each student. Our students were getting registration calls and messages for back to internships. When students were showing their hard work, dedication and teamwork simultaneously, students and parents were showing their love, trust and interest from Punjab. और यही प्यार और विश्वास हमको ले आया पंजाब के एक शहर लुधियाना में, and from here we started our first branch in Ludhiana, which is situated in Sarbhanagar. अरे रुको जरा, अभी सितंबर खत्म नहीं हुआ है, अभी तो एक लंबा सफर शुरू होना बाकी है. एक ऐसा सफर जिसने UK इंटरनेशनल लंदन ब्यूटी स्कूल की यूनिटी, डेडिकेशन, कमिटमेंट्स, हार्ड वर्क, बिन सोई रातें, इन सब की एक नई मिसाल कायम की और इंडस्ट्री में एक और ट्रेंड सेट किया. यहाँ से शुरू हुआ एक सफर, वो था बेलेजा द टैलेंट ग्राजिया 2024, जिसे कि आप सब जानते हैं UK इंटरनेशनल का फाउंडर्स डे which falls on 21st October, and उसके ऑडिशन स्टार्ट हो गए थे 1st September से. And let me tell you, the talent in our students was beyond incredible. The auditions were tougher for us than the final event itself because of the sheer level of skill and creativity our students possess. Special October, we all were waiting for the D-Day. इंतजार खत्म हो रहा था और धड़कनें तेज. एक तरफ प्रेशर बढ़ रहा था और दूसरी तरफ एक दूसरे के साथ उस सिचुएशन को फेस करने की हिम्मत तय हो रही थी. अब ये इवेंट इंडस्ट्री में ट्रेंड सेटर बनेगा और फाइनली वो दिन आ गया 22nd October 2024. Pool A, we are excited to announce the formation of an esteemed jury panel for UK International London Beauty School to select the most outstanding achievers of the year. The jury, comprised of industry experts, will evaluate and honor the following prestigious titles: Mr. UKIBS Aman Singh, Miss UKIBS Arshia Singh, Mrs. UKIBS Jyoti, and the Student of the Year Arbaz. These accolades recognize exceptional talent, dedication, and achievements across beauty, wellness, and vocational education. It's a celebration of the hard work and creativity that defines the spirit of UK International London Beauty School. Pool B, as some of our students were in Pool A and the rest of the students participated in Pool B, bridal, fantasy, and avant-garde hairstyling. All the students first passed the audition round and then they were assigned a particular look to create on the final show day. It was a tough call to select the finalists, but on October 22nd, Beleza 2024 took place and our students absolutely rocked the stage. They were walked to speeches and their incredible talents, and finally UK International London Beauty School ने अपने आप से किया हुआ वादा पूरा किया और बेलेजा 2024 को सक्सेस बनाते हुए इंडस्ट्री में एक मिसाल कायम की और मीडिया में सुर्खियां बन गया और दिल में एक उम्मीद और दिमाग में एक छाप छोड़ गया आने वाले नेक्स्ट बेलेजा के लिए. Once again, happy धनतेरस, happy Diwali, happy Govardhan Puja, and last but not the least, happy Bhaiya Dooj. Yes, the festive vibes in the air. Yes, you are right. After great success of Beleza, we have celebrated together Diwali celebrations with our beloved UKIBS family with more josh and vibrant cultural performance to bonding moments with students and staff. A testament to the diversity that defines the UK International London Beauty School. November, here we are. Oh, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैप्पी छठ पूजा। अब बात हो रही हो छठ माता की और बिहार दिमाग में ना आए, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? हेलो यूके इंटरनेशनल से बोल रहे हैं क्या? आप बिहार में आ गए? बस इतना प्यार और विश्वास काफी था और यूके इंटरनेशनल पहुंच गया बोरिंग रोड पटना में अपनी फर्स्ट ब्रांच इन बिहार विद अ ग्रैंड ओपनिंग एडिंग टू आवर ग्रोइंग फैमिली ऑफ ब्रांचेस। अरे, so last of the year, December has arrived and with commitments of renowned brands like Matrix, Chamisi Milano, Mr. Barber, etc. All workshop organized by UK International London Beauty School and it was totally free of cost and were attended by our loving upcoming professionals, our students. एक बात बोलूं, वो कहते हैं ना कि ये तो बहुत नॉर्मल सा काम है। So UK International के लिए भी मेकअप करना ये तो नॉर्मल सा काम है। So cause we believe in work is worship, काम ही पूजा है। And after Hira Mandi again we done the same look of most awaited and super duper hit movie of the year Pushpa 2। फ्लावर समझे हैं क्या? फायर है फायर। बात फायर की हो और एक छोटा सा झटका तो बनता है। So from here roller coaster ride begins again। जी हाँ, back to back big renowned and famous industry brands like Pathways World School, Vogue Star, famous FDCI designer Mr. Lalit Dalmia shoot, Glamour Gugan invited us to be a part of their event once again as their makeup and hair partner। अभी ये जर्नी चली रही थी कि एक नई उम्मीद के साथ UK International London Beauty School ने एक और पहल की और वो था with the partnership of the Times of India Group we have organized a workshop for CBSE school 10th, 11th and 12th standard students who will be the upcoming beauty professional as well, where we have given the masterclass on beauty and wellness as career path। Oh, hello, not end yet. Please wait, our Santa is on the way. Yes, Merry Christmas! UK International London Beauty School organized a grand carnival to welcome our Santa and in return he got many fabulous, fantastic and funny gifts for us as well as for some needy and unprivileged people। क्योंकि कहते हैं ना, खुशी बांटने से और बढ़ जाती है। So UK IBIS always wants to see happy everyone और ये सच किया हमारे Santa ने। Last but not the least, our New Year gift is ready and all set for our new upcoming and interesting स्टूडेंट्स। तो कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लीजिए क्योंकि यूके इंटरनेशनल लर्निंग ब्यूटी स्कूल की उड़ान तेज होने वाली है। जी हाँ, सही सुना आपने। वी आर कमिंग इन 2025 इन वाराणसी, हल्द्वानी एंड पठानकोट विद इन फर्स्ट क्वार्टर ऑफ 2025। ये था सफर 2024 का। अपनों से बिछड़ते हुए एक खुशी भी थी तो कुछ आंसू भी। ये था सफर 2024 का, कड़ी मेहनत, उसके बाद की सक्सेस और खुशी दोनों एक साथ फील करने का। ये था सफर 2024 का जहाँ एक टीम, एक परिवार की तरह कभी हाथ से हाथ जोड़कर, कभी हाथ फैलाकर और या फिर कभी कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर सारी यादों को दिल में समाये हुए इस साल से अलविदा कहने के लिए साथ है। Now we are stepping into this exciting new chapter. Let's embrace fresh commitments, new promises and boundless opportunities. Your very own favorite UK International London Beauty School is here to continue shaping bright futures and empowering dreams. Whether you aspire to master the art of makeup, refine your hairstyling skills or become a beauty industry leader, this is your year to shine. Here's to achieving your goals, transforming aspirations into reality and making 2025 your most beautiful year yet. Ready to begin? Let's make this year unforgettable together. हम लोग फिर मिलेंगे with some exciting and interesting and informative updates के साथ। तब तक के लिए हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, keep shining, keep growing, keep following our social media account for industry updates, opportunities, internships and many more. Thank you.